Hello everyone, this is Universal Studios and MGM Fan 2001 here. Today I got a new Bush MP3 player black. No, that was this was a couple of days ago. I got it from Argos on Saturday. No, I know I haven't done any unboxing videos on my channel yet, so this would be a good change of pace. Okay, so this is what the contents look like. Sorry, I'm having a bit of a... There we go. And so this is where we use your MP3 player, earphones, and the USB, and the black thing is the USB charging cable. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And there's the plastic thing which we can remove very soon. And here's the headphones. And here's the USB cable. It looks very nice, doesn't it? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video I made today of the Bush MP3 player that you can buy in Argos for 20 quid. So anyways, this is me, Universal Studios and MGM Fan 2001 signing off. Goodbye everybody. I'll see you all later.